Jesse!
Jeez.
Wake up, bro!
Fuck me, bro. Breakfast run. Okay, so morning cold start.
Jesse, you ready?
Ready. Breakfast run.
It's nice, eh?
Yeah.
You ready?
Ready. You. Yes. Fucks off.
That's it. Like, we definitely have to get a Porsche on the channel.
Definitely.
I think your GT3,
Yeah.
the GT2's the quickest, but the GT3 just sounds so fucking good.
Yeah, and it looks very good, eh?
I honestly buy a GT3 and I would park in my garage and just start it.
Yeah.
And then turn it off and I'll be satisfied. It just sounds so good.
Porsche just eating.
Fucking fast there.
Yes.
I don't know which button I prefer between the M3 and the M4.
I prefer the M4, but
The M4 is like the actual tail looks better for me, but then the wheel arches are a bit wider.
hello, police.
Fuck the police.
Fuck the police. You do have plates on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Aish. The spool of your car sounds that kind of, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pipes, it opens up nicely.
Yeah. Let's do it. Gran Turismo, I'll definitely take a Supra.
A drift Supra.
Yeah, I'll take a drift Supra. I'll probably take an SUV.
An SUV, yeah.
I'll get that Bentley. Yes, what is that thing called?
SUV one.
Yeah, the SUV Bentley. Yes, I think that thing's hard.
Sports fucking awesome.
Yes, it's fast.
I was following us, he came past me, I was like, I wasn't actually going.
Yeah, I wasn't trying.
There's nothing, it's just,
Yeah.
it wasn't my motor revving.
Oh boy. Yes, that's like a... Holy crap. Yeah. The chimney over there. Love chimneys. Yes, that guy's an entrepreneur of it.
What's the difference with the spec? Like performance what?
It's just basically a competition pack with ceramics.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's obviously like standard.
Yeah.
Can you feel a difference with the ceramics? Not really.
Yeah, definitely.
Is it?
Stick with ceramics is to make sure they're warm,
Yeah.
and then yeah, it definitely makes a big difference. Almost every game.
Down pipes on. Your back tips, or those just the tips that you got there?
I'd say performance exhaust box.
Okay, sick, yeah.
My M2 I had slitzer diffuser, slitzer exhaust, and also some bullets down pipe as well.
Okay. You can hear it's a bit louder. Mine's it's a little bit quieter.
Yeah, the box makes a difference.
Sounds like it. Cartoon Network, but like tuned,
That's also cool.
Just nice little plain words.
Should be good.
sometimes when I'm cruising like 200 plus and you get a bit of like wind out of the pulse and you can feel it.
Yeah, best thing to do is get best investment you'll make is AC snitzer springs.
Oh, is it?
Put it to my M2. What a difference! No body roll, more planted, launches better out the hole, just everything is so much better now.
Okay. What do they charge for that?
My M2 back then was around 10 grand, but now for them bigger cars they just seem to want to charge more. But yeah, about 17 fitted I would think.
Okay, it's worth it. I reckon we put this on the list. We put this on the list. We put this on the list. Yeah, fuck it, we put it on the list.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
You guys look chilled as fuck. There's a piece there. Right, yes. If you had to have 3 cars in the world, 3 cars in the whole world that you could choose, only 3.
Only 3.
What would
Rest
you
of
choose?
the time.
Yeah.
Ferrari F40. I'd say Ferrari and for a nice daily M3.
Nice. Well, you 1 out of 3 already.
1 out of 3.
Nice. Yeah.